how to use the quick login feature on PC. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this very quick video. Now for this you either need another device like a phone, it can also be another PC somewhere else or at a friend's house, or maybe you have a laptop and a PC and you want to play on your PC but you have logged in on your laptop, then it's super easy to do. All you basically want to do is another logged in device instead of actually logging in. Once you're here, you have two options. You can either scan a QR code, the above one, with your phone, or simply add this code. Now over here I have my phone where I have logged in. I'm going to click on the bottom right and I'm going to scroll all the way down. Here it says quick login. Here you want to enter that code. Now make sure to not share this code with anyone. Once you've filled in that code, click on enter, and here it says you're about to sign into, and then as you can see it also changes on my PC at the same time. I'm going to click on confirm login and it says login successful and done. And as you can see, I am now logged in on both my PC and my phone. So yeah, that's how you can use the quick login from another device. It's super easy, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.